Hello friends, in this video we'll be creating a container and we're going to run it on a Ubuntu server just for getting a feel how to create the container. So I'm inside my GCP console. We are going to go to create instance. Alright, so I'm going to change the boot disk to Ubuntu from Debian, and I'm going to open the HTTP traffic in it, create the instance. Now to get the container running in it, we need to install Docker. So I'm going to share the instructions also in the description, but we're going to first do the update. We're going to install the Docker, and then we'll create a Docker file. So you can actually create a folder first, and then put this in this file Docker file in it. There will be no extension on it. It will just pull the base image of Alpine. So we need some base of container image to add the nginx on top of it. Now, also keep that in mind that whenever we deal with containers, we cannot do a fresh install of the base image, right? So, unlike Windows and Linux, wherein operating system can be booted and installed, with containers you get the base image and you can add your application and the configuration files along with it inside your application. That's how inside your base container image. Right? Now, once this file is created, we are going to execute docker build, which is going to create the base image, call it my-nginx, and then we are going to run it. I'm not configuring it, so it might show as page not found when the web server comes up. So, but then the idea is just to show you how to, create a container with it and with the application inside it. And yeah, you will get also ready nginx containers. If you want to pull nginx image, you can do that as well. I'm going to do it this way just to show you, how to do it. Now, though we are doing this inside a virtual machine and we're going to create container using uh, the command build in real-time production scenarios, it is not done the way I'm doing it over here. It is done using a CI/CD pipeline. Generally, a developer is going to push the code to some repository, which is going to trigger container creation, and a build server will basically come up with the image and store it in some repository. Now, why do we do that, right? So why you just don't do the way I am doing it right now? Uh, One challenge is that I need to trust the workstation, the laptop or the desktop, which I'm going to use for it. Now, this is something. So what can happen is if my desktop or laptop used for creation of container, right, is infected with some malware. Malware can move inside the container while creation of during the creation time and can hamper your production. So it's one of the key reasons why we do not, or developers are not allowed to build containers directly on their workstation. It goes through a CI/CD process. Also, it is faster and much more convenient. I'm going to create a folder over here, right? And I'm going to create a Docker file. All right, my file is created. I'm going to run the build command. Going to first pull the Alpine image and then it's going to use the install the nginx inside it, expose the port and create the container format, base image format. Right, so my image is now up. I'm going to just check using the public IP of the VM. Yeah, so it's going to be not found because it's not configured. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel for further videos. Have a great day ahead. Bye.